The E2 and the E2 Plus both belong to the E2 series. Today, we're going to be using the E2 Plus to do the unboxing video. The E2 series is designed for students and beginners who would like the most features at the best value and convenience of commuting. With a stylish design, the extended range of E2 Plus is up to 12.5 miles at max speed and capable of going up to 15.5 miles per hour. Equipped with 8.1-inch inner hollow tires and 2.8-inch large-sized dashboard, making your ride more comfortable and safe. The built-in RGB ambient light allows your scooter to shine and glow with corresponding speed. In the box, you'll find the thank you card, the KickScooter, 5mm wrench, battery charger, and the product user manual and the warranty book. Place the scooter on a flat ground and unfold the kickstand. Unfold the stem, align the positioning groove with the screw, and slide the screw into the groove and insert the stem to the bottom. Tighten the two screws alternately several times and wiggle the handlebar to ensure it becomes tight enough. To fold the scooter, push and lift the safety button to the top and open the quick release lever. Then, fold the stem, align and fasten the snap hook and the buckle. When you unfold the scooter, disengage the snap hook from the buckle. Unfold the stem and close the quick release lever. Make sure the safety button is in the lock position before riding. Before activation, please make sure you've downloaded the Segway Ninebot app and log in. Turn on the KickScooter. The scooter will initially constantly beep due to inactivation, with the speed limited to 6.2 miles per hour. Next, open the Segway app. Click Search Vehicle and pair with your scooter. Press the power button according to the app instructions to confirm the Bluetooth connection. Then, follow the instructions to watch the tutorial video. After the tutorial is complete, click to finish activating the KickScooter. There are two riding modes with the E2 Plus. Kick off to start. When your riding speed reaches 1.9 miles per hour, press down the thumb throttle and the motor will initiate. You can switch speed modes by pressing on the power button twice. The speed mode will appear on the dashboard. The speed of deed mode is the standard mode at 12.4 miles per hour. The S mode is sports mode, with a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. The E2 series also comes with a walk mode, which allows you to walk with the scooter with less effort. For walk mode, the max speed is 3.1 miles per hour and the headlight and taillight will always be on and cannot be turned off. In the app, you can also find that the Ninebot E2 series has cruise mode and energy recovery functions. When you open the cruise mode, keep riding a scooter at a constant speed of over 3.1 miles per hour. After 5 seconds, the mode will kick into effect and you'll see that the icon lights up on the dashboard. Then, you will constantly be riding at the set speed. You can exit the cruise mode by simply pressing the throttle or squeezing the brake lever. The energy recovery function will help you to reduce the anxiety of cruisability. Use the energy efficiently and at the same time, protect the environment. Press the throttle to speed up when you're balanced on the footboard. If you want to stop riding, just release the throttle to slow down, or you can squeeze the brake lever. Open the charge port cover and insert the charge plug. When the scooter is fully charged, the LED on the charger will change from red to green. Then, you can stop charging and close the charge port when finished. For safety purposes, always wear a helmet and other protective gear when you're riding. If you have any questions, please contact the information listed on the screen.